From a theological standpoint, Islam teaches that Allah is the creator of all living beings, including dogs. The Quran, the holy book of Islam, emphasizes Allah's role as the ultimate creator and sustainer of the universe. In Surah Al-An'am 6:38, it is stated, "There is not an animal on earth nor a bird that flies on its wings, but they are communities like you." This verse underscores the idea that animals, including dogs, are part of Allah's creation and are endowed with their own purpose and significance. Furthermore, Islamic tradition holds that dogs have specific roles and responsibilities in the world. While dogs are generally considered impure in Islamic law and are not allowed in certain spaces, such as mosques, they are valued for their practical utility. Dogs have historically been employed for hunting, guarding, and herding, contributing to human society in various ways. For example, dogs were crucial companions to early Bedouin tribes and played vital roles in safeguarding livestock and campsites. From a scientific perspective, the existence of dogs can be explained through the process of evolution. Dogs are believed to have descended from wolves, undergoing domestication over thousands of years. The domestication of dogs is thought to have begun around 15,000 years ago as humans transitioned from hunting and gathering to settled agricultural lifestyles. Through selective breeding and cohabitation with humans, wolves gradually evolved into the diverse array of dog breeds seen today. The evolution of dogs is a testament to the complex interplay between natural selection, genetic variation, and environmental factors. Over time, certain traits and behaviors were favored by humans, leading to the emergence of distinct breeds with specialized functions. For example, herding dogs developed traits suited to guiding and managing livestock, while hunting dogs evolved characteristics conducive to tracking and retrieving game. Beyond their practical utility, dogs hold immense cultural significance in societies around the world. Throughout history, dogs have been revered as loyal companions, faithful guardians, and symbols of fidelity and devotion. Their presence in folklore, literature, and art reflects the deep bond between humans and dogs, transcending cultural and geographical boundaries. In many cultures, dogs are regarded as members of the family, cherished for their companionship and affection. From ancient civilizations to modern-day households, dogs have played integral roles in the lives of humans, providing companionship, protection, and emotional support. The evolution of dogs is a testament complex interplay between natural selection, genetic variation, and environmental factors. Over time, certain traits and behaviors were favored by humans, leading to the emergence of distinct breeds with specialized functions. For example, herding dogs developed traits suited to guiding and managing livestock, while hunting dogs evolved characteristics conducive to tracking and retrieving game. Beyond their practical utility, dogs hold immense cultural significance in societies around the world. Throughout history, dogs have been revered as loyal companions, faithful guardians, and symbols of fidelity and devotion. Their presence in folklore, literature, and art reflects the deep bond between humans and dogs, transcending cultural and geographical boundaries. In many cultures, dogs are regarded as members of the family, cherished for their companionship and affection. From ancient civilizations to modern-day households, dogs have played integral roles in the lives of humans, providing companionship, protection, and emotional support. The profound connection between humans and dogs is evident in the prevalence of pet ownership and the myriad ways in which dogs enrich our lives. Ethically, the creation of dogs raises questions about our responsibilities towards these sentient beings and the moral implications of our interactions with them. As stewards of the earth, humans are called upon to treat animals with compassion, kindness, and respect. In Islam, there are specific guidelines regarding the treatment of animals, emphasizing humane practices and the avoidance of unnecessary harm. However, despite the positive aspects of our relationship with dogs, there are also ethical concerns surrounding issues such as animal welfare, overbreeding, and exploitation. The commercial breeding of dogs for profit, the prevalence of puppy mills, and the mistreatment of dogs in certain industries raise ethical dilemmas that warrant careful consideration. Moreover, the way in which dogs are perceived and treated varies greatly across different cultures and societies. While some cultures hold dogs in high esteem and afford them rights and protections, others view them as disposable commodities or even as sources of food. Bridging these cultural divides requires empathy, understanding, and a commitment to promoting respect for all living beings. In conclusion, the creation of dogs by Allah is a multifaceted phenomenon that encompasses theological, scientific, cultural, and ethical dimensions. Dogs are not only a testament to Allah's creative power, but also a reflection of the intricate web of life on Earth. Understanding and appreciating the significance of dogs in our world entails acknowledging their diverse roles, respecting their inherent value as sentient beings, and striving to cultivate harmonious relationships based on compassion and empathy.
Subscribe, like, comments, and share our content with us.